chain stitch. Begin at the base of your line. Bring your needle up, then down into the same hole or as close as you can. Don't pull the thread through. Instead, bring the tip of your needle up again along the line and hook your thread under the needle. Pull your needle away from the stitch horizontally but not upwards. Don't pull the loop too tight. Push your needle down through the same hole you just came up. Bring the tip of your needle up further along the line and hook the thread under the tip again. Continue this way to form a chain that covers your line.